Right, we've used the model, and there are a number of people who have now understood, they've seen what's in the sky, and they've understood why they're seeing those planets there. So now it is time to disassemble the model, and disassembling it is as easy as pie. And there's one little trick though to it, but I'll show you what that little trick is, and you'll be able to learn it in a minute or two. So first of all, we'll take apart the horizon, the mock horizon, and pack it away. And quite easily, each one of the planets comes off one after the other with the usual little squeeze on the slit to open the slit. Saturn's rings come off, Saturn's off, Jupiter's off, Venus is away, and we have Mercury away. Now we'll remove the Sun and the direction of rotation. Right, now we've got to remove the hoops, and this is where the trick comes in. Now these rather large hoops have to pack into the small package. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate with hoop number 5, because it's a fairly easy one to fold, and you'll understand why I'm using this one first in a moment. The whole idea is to take the hoop, to hold it over the join with a fairly nice wide grip, and then to put it the other end under your foot, and then to twist and push down at the same time, and there you can see exactly how the hoop turns and twists up into a small manageable size. So we put that one away. Now the reason that we took that number 5 hoop was because it folds reasonably easily. Most of all the outer ones need folding, but this number 4 hoop of Mars also needs to be folded, but when it is folded it is fairly tightly twisted and it wants to spring open. So what we do is we leave it until last, so that when we have done all the others and they are lying neatly in the box, that we just put the Mars one on into with the others, and we just fasten them all together so it doesn't jump up. So we can actually continue, say, with Mercury and Venus and the Earth, and then we'll skip Mars, but now we are going to Jupiter's orbit. And once again, it's a large one, so we twist it. Once again, hold it at the join and twist. And then the outer planet, which of course these days is Neptune, it is no longer Pluto, and this is a fairly big hoop. Grab it at the join, twist and push down, and it is folded away. Now we can get all the other rings, get them nice and neatly together, so that we can bring the Mars hoop. First of all, fold it, twist and push down, and there you see we have a hoop which doesn't really want to stay folded, so holding it closed, put it together with the others, and using the bulldog clip, they're all together. So now the hoops and the planets are all conveniently packed away. Now we can remove the arms. It's easier to remove the arms together with the axis, so the arms pull out very easily. The neck pulls out easily. Remove the stabilizer cord. Now we get to the upper upright, and now we get to the lower upright. We just remove the pin which holds it in, and we take the legs out of the base, and note that the one leg has the stabilizer cord wrapped around it, so we just wrap the stabilizer cord around that leg. And that completes the packing away of the portable solar system model. I'm sure you'll agree that is very easy to do.